On the Bayswater Road, hidden away in the Queensway shopping centre, by all accounts is somewhere called the Samovar Cafe. It feels like we're abroad here, lots of little stalls, someone fixing up broken mobile phones, Western Union, Bureau de Change, flashing signs. You really get the impression that this is a place where people are coming who aren't English, maybe first time in London. It says on the sign that they're open from 12 until 8, but there's nobody home.
We got a lot of famous customers from Russia. One of these is Dmitry Khvorostovsky, famous singer. Smertin was captain Chelsea. Mikhail Kazakov is famous actor.
Why do they all come here?
First of all, is food traditional. Second, that we got chef, not restaurant chef, is a homemade chef. Taste like my grandmother make me. I remember this. Борщ is beetroot soup. It's vegetarian. Dumplings, Russian dumplings. Голубцы. Голубцы, it's meat with rice covered cabbage leaves. All in our menu it's Russian.
It's Russian.
Yeah.
When did you move to London?
1997.
97. And were you a restaurateur? Did you have a restaurant in Russia, or this
No,
was
no.
something?
I'm a musician. I play saxophone. It's not give me money to my life, and I changed my profession.
Fascinating.
Make Russian restaurant, Russian food shop.